Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and I appreciate you tuning in to these piano quick tips video series. This video is going to explain the rhythm in measure 18 and measure 29 of Chopin's beautiful Nocturne in E flat, this Nocturne. So there's a lot of beautiful and tricky things in this piece. And one of the questions I get asked most often is, how do you play that rhythm? Beat 1, measure 18, the 4 against 3. Let's see. So I'm going to demonstrate where I'm talking about. Measure 18, I'm going to come in from measure 17. We come from some nice triplets. So there's two different ways you can go about this. You can either turn your metronome on something like 40 and just play your right hand. 1. Bunch of times. Now play your left hand. Then you put them together. So that method works for a lot of people, just kind of splitting your brain right, left. The other way you can figure out the rhythm is to subdivide the top and the bottom into a micro subdivision of 12, so you see exactly how they fit together. And so that's what we're going to do right now. So if you notice above, I have a time line there that says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Measuring exactly how many micro subdivisions the group of 4 gets and the group of 3 notes. So the right hand, the group of 4, is going to get 3 subdivisions of 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. The left hand's going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. So if we put those together, I'm going to do it a little bit more slowly. I want you to feel that they're never together except for on beat 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. It's going to go together, 2, 3, right, left, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. So together, right, left, right, if that makes sense. Together, so 4 and 5 are going to be right after each other. 7's kind of in between. 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can practice it that way also. The other thing is, there is a piano teacher that once worked with my students that said for 4/3, the words were not very difficult. So not very difficult. It actually works really well. Not very difficult. 1. So hopefully one of those methods will work for you. Now we have the harder one. In measure 29, it's kind of a similar thing, except we have a group of 8. And so this one we are not going to subdivide into groups of 24. Usually for this one, I recommend that in your right hand, you start with finger 2 on the E flat, and you group the E flat and F. Just play it as a second. So figure out the micro subdivision, so you figure out where the E flat fits in, and then we turn on our metronome and split in half and try to fit it in. So what I mean by that is you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, tie, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. So you're just kind of grouping where those E flats are going to go. We'll do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. And then once I've done that, because this is a group of 8, and we start with a tie, which is really confusing. Then I put my metronome on 40, and that's one beat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I just zone out and do that a couple times. So I'm feeling with the beats where my notes are fitting. And then do left hand. Do it again. And then I try to do it together. Ready, and I know this is metronomic what I'm doing right now, so you fit it together, you feel how it goes. Here we go. So the other thing you can do is record your right hand with your phone and just record it with the metronome. So 1, and then record your left hand, and then just keep repeating it until you hear how they go together. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I wish you well as you learn this beautiful piece. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano technique or piano literature. Thanks again for watching.